Yo! In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how did I just make over $1,000 with this single trade on NAS 100. Okay, I'm going to literally tell you step by step. And by the way, if you don't know, this is my new channel where I'm going to be mostly posting my trade recaps, not in my main channel. But man, in this video, like I just said, I'm going to tell you everything. So as you can see, here's the PNL. And essentially, I didn't risk the craziest amount. I could have risked more, but if you look at this price action, chop, 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 chop. There's like 4 points of consolidation, sideways movement. That's why I didn't risk that crazy amount. However, it's pretty decent, right? 1 to 2 ratio, so that's around $500 risk. So pretty nice, okay? But man, how did I take this? First of all, it is currently Thursday, right? Session opens right here at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, because that's when New York Stock Exchange opens, the banks will open, all that good stuff. The price will start to move. The guys on New York Stock Exchange will start to yell and all that good stuff, man. But session opens, we're in this pretty nice 50-minute bullish trend, as you can see. And when the session opened, we actually took these liquidities. There was a 1 hour time frame high and also a 50-minute high. And that got liquidated, right? It kind of reacted a little bit from that, started to go down a little bit, if I remember correctly. Yeah, a little bit, yeah, started to went down a little bit. But then we quite frankly we didn't tap into the order block. That's interesting, right? Didn't tap into the order block. We started to just kind of do some weird shit, okay, if you're being honest. But what we did do is we took the liquidity right here, sweep, and then after that, oh, can you see my charts? My bad. Then after that, we start to respect it here. We continue with this trend. Higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs, and higher lows, and higher highs. That's what caused me to buy today. Now, if we would have gotten the market structure shift, 2 breaker structures in the 1 minute to the downside, I would have shorted the markets, but we only got 1. That's why I didn't short the markets. We have to see the market structure shift, which is continue with this pace. As you can see, 5-minute time frame. This is a pretty solid uptrend, right? But it could be better because usually there's a lot more volume, a lot more movement in the 1 minute time frame, but today we didn't quite frankly have that. As you can see, a lot of consolidation here and there. That's why I de-risked a little bit. But essentially what I did was in the 5 minutes, I go in here. What we did was we create this 5 minutes bullish fair value gap right here, because this is a 3 candle sequence. The middle part is a fair value gap. What we did, we tapped into that right there, boom. And then I go to the 1 minute time frame. I didn't enter immediately. What I wanted to see was this giving me a reaction. And it did that. It gave me a rejection candle. If you don't know what rejection candle is, it is quite frankly, this is the body of the candle. And then there's the freaking rejection, the small part of the candle, which means this is the history. This is what the candle was. It was here, tapped into the fair value gap, and immediately pumps up, right? So I entered right here, as you can see. I entered around there. There was, we're currently in a fair value gap, I know, but still, the bullishness, the push to the upside was pretty nice, okay? That caused me to buy. There's a lot of buyers in the market. As you can see, it still continued to consolidate a little bit, but I'm like, okay, cool. I didn't risk the craziest amount. And then, boom, I target 1 to 2 reserve ratio. Could have targeted more, but the thing is, we're getting pretty late into the AM session. It's currently 10:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so it's like over 1 hour more than since the session open, right? So that's all right, okay? So I didn't need to get like a sniper entry, right? I could have targeted this liquidity, but 1 to 2 reserve ratio is good for me. So that's around, that's literally double the risk. So I risked around 500, made 1,000. Where's the PNL? Oh yeah, here, $1,000, $1,071.20, just like that in one single trade. Okay. Quick little recap for this channel. Make sure to subscribe because this is a complete new channel, and I'm gonna be most likely posting here consistently with my trade recaps. Okay, but as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Peace out. Peace.